Hey everybody, it's Matt Easton, your friend in apartment marketing, and on today's episode I want to really quickly solve a big problem that a lot of community managers have. So you've got a great community, you need a lot of leases, but all you've got left is 2 bedrooms, and everybody's calling you for a 1 bedroom. Here's how you handle it. Instead of getting frustrated when they call time and time again saying, hey, do you have any 1 bedrooms left? And you say, no, we don't, we only have 2 bedrooms. Here's a great way of handling that. Hey, do you got any 1 bedrooms left? Absolutely. What I've got is I've got 1 bedrooms with a spare bedroom. I've got 1 bedrooms with an office. I know that sounds a little bit crazy, but if you came down and the community worked out and it's the right community for you, and we can make the numbers work, wouldn't you rather have an extra bedroom or an office? So help pivot their mind from the fact of, hey, I just need a 1 bedroom to, I've got 1 bedrooms with an office and I've got 1 bedrooms with a guest room. Can you come down and check out the property? If the property works out and it's the right community for you and the numbers work out, would you consider a 1 bedroom with an office or a 1 bedroom with a spare bedroom? You'll be surprised at how this really helps you get them to come to the community, because after all, that's all you want, is you want the lead to come to the community, see what an amazing community is. If the numbers work out, great, you just got a lease. So don't be so pigeonholed into the bedroom thing of, I don't have any 1 bedrooms left. It's amazing how many phone calls people are just looking for a 1 bedroom where you could convert them into that 2 bedroom lease with just a little bit of help on your part in showing them the value in that community and the value of the extra bedroom.